Gonna wear them? Jingle, jingle. Get the fuzzy ones. They're a lot more comfortable.
Oh, no, we're hardcore.
Puta! Puta, puta, puta.
Awesome. Man, this is an awesome video. And that was cutting edge.
You have to use those, don't you?
No, I've used these plenty of times. Prostitutes, meth cookers, meth users. Those guys are annoying as fuck too.
I bet they are. I have no fear. Kind of jacked up.
Possess them legally. Keep good recovery. I love it.
Go ahead and put it in yourself then.
I haven't broken any laws.
Really? I don't think you understand the law.
But you have. You've attacked us with your son.
Okay, what? Name one law I've broken. Do it. You say I've broken the law. Name the law. You can't do it. Accusing somebody of an indictable offense is in itself defamation, which is against the law.
We have something better. We got videos.